And if you put this in perspective, if you apply these estimates across all the industries out there, that means businesses lose $79.6 trillion in U.S. gross world product. That's scary. And we're talking, again, strictly occupational fraud, not the fraud committed by identity theft or people against the dealership. We're talking about from inside. So what about closer to home? And I'm going to be honest, there just isn't a lot of data that is automotive specific out there. I have this one report from Christopher Marquette. It was the 2013 Marquette report on embezzlement, and he shared some information with me. This group studied 554 public cases. They'd gone to court. And he and his forensic accountant studied these cases, and out of the 554, 70 of them were related to automobile dealerships. That's 13% of all industries.